today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your profile picture on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the accounts button on the left side. And then over here on the right, you want to go down and select underneath account settings and select your info. And then where it says adjust your photo, choose a file. You can select browse files to go select one on your computer, or you can open up the camera app to actually take a picture if you have a webcam installed. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.